Colini Reyes, Vice Mayor Regalio Balalis, Honorable Ariel Gusto de Guzman, Honorable Roger Romero, Honorable Mary Ann Supangan, Doc Aga Reynoso, Dr. Maria Bella Rodriguez Lazo, and Ms. Rysel S. Sago. Mayor Colini Reyes for lights, King's Catering for decorations, Mitch Bona for lights and sound, and AJ Productions, our videographer. Once again, special thanks to our production team, Mayor Colini Reyes for lights, King's Catering for our decorations, Mitch Bona for lights and sounds, and AJ Productions, our official videographer.
The grace of our newly crowned King and Queen has set a beautiful tone for the evening. As the formal presentation concludes, the court prepares to transition into a night of joyous celebration.
They certainly have. And now, as the evening progresses from formal presentations to a more celebratory atmosphere, we will see the graceful exit of our prince and princesses. Please join us in a round of applause as we thank our second prince and princess, Mr. A.J. Aguas and Ms. Darjeeling Austria, for their distinguished presence tonight.
And now, let us extend our heartfelt gratitude to our first prince and princess, Mr. V.G. Braganza and Ms. Shaira Hart Balmania, as they make their exit.
With the court having made their farewell, our newly crowned